To support my research, I have some relevant literature that goes along with student achievement and class size. The first article that I'm going to discuss is called An Analysis of Elementary and Middle School Focuses on the Class Size Debate and uses data from North Carolina school report cards to examine the impact class size has on student achievement in both elementary schools and middle schools. In this research, the main argument is focused around the fact that there are not many clear studies that have been done on class size, in particularly in regards to student achievement. In this research study, in this literature, the authors focus on North Carolina school testing data, and they do their study, which concludes that within their study, they did find that class size does have a great impact on student achievement, in particularly in elementary schools. They did not see any effects in middle schools, which is why I decided to focus more on elementary schools in mine to go along with this literature. But with the elementary schools, they did see an impact with large class sizes versus smaller class sizes.